Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Gary Gensler's attack with the SEC on Kraken and centralized staking, actually, because there is more news that's breaking out with this right now. You got to see at some of the comments that the Kraken CEO has made as of late, and some of the recent comments that Gary Gensler has made as well in regard to this, and some of the folks at the SEC are speaking out against Gary Gensler and his team's actions, disagreeing with this move by the SEC with this $30 million fine for Kraken. And we'll see kind of, do we expect this market to go up a little bit more, trade sideways, or are we due for a little bit of downside? We'll take the look at the charts here and talk about what's happening. Guys, if you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so do not miss out on that, folks. And just take a look here at the story. So the SEC chief, Gary Gensler, warned crypto firms to comply with the rules after this Kraken U.S. staking shutdown. They fined them $30 million, as we do know. But recently, he's came out with even further comments, which is very, very interesting to see. Some of the quotes here that I want to share with you guys are, first off, they are saying that not your keys, not your coins. So they are supporting potentially DeFi, right? This is not an attack on DeFi, which is very important to note. Also important to note is that an SEC official briefing reporters on Thursday said that a crypto company hoping to offer staking as a service as a registered securities offering under the regulator's purview would have to first register as a securities platform before getting the agency's Division of Corporations Finance's approval on the product itself. In other words, the SEC is saying all you had to do was fill out some paperwork and you wouldn't have had to pay this fine. But is that really fair to a new emerging industry and new products that are coming out? We're going to explore that a little bit more. But, Gary Gensler has the attitude that 330 million Americans are their clients. In other words, Gary Gensler wants to protect you from these products. He's saying Kraken knew how to register. Others know how to register. It's just a form on our website. And if they want to offer staking, we're neutral. Come in and register because investors need that disclosure. We knew the products we were getting involved with. Folks, if you were investing in Kraken, you were getting into this, we don't need disclosure. There's risk in crypto. We understand that. Of course, is it good? Would it be good to have disclosure? Absolutely. Should they sue Kraken for $30 million over this product? No. And they say Kraken knew how to register. Did they? Because I'm sure they had some of the best lawyers. What do you think? They're going to pay $30 million? Or do you think they're going to do some research and try to figure out how to comply with Gensler and the SEC's policies? Of course he's going to try to comply. So he even came out, and he said that he's going to Congress with this. The Kraken CEO is calling on Congress to protect the U.S. crypto industry after this SEC move and Gary Gensler's action against staking. And then he also came to Twitter. Now, Jesse Powell, one of the co-founders and heads of Kraken, said today as well, oh man, all I had to do was fill out a form on a website and tell people that staking rewards come from staking. Wish I'd seen this video on CNBC before paying the $30 million fine and agreeing to permanently shutting down the service in the US. How dumb do I look? Gosh, very clearly sarcastic. Obviously, it's not as easy as just filling out paperwork as Gary Gensler likes to come out and publicly say, because he doesn't look like a bad guy. But folks in the SEC themselves are coming out and rebuking this agency action on this attack against staking. And I quote, today the SEC shut down Kraken's staking program and counted it as a win for investors. I disagree and therefore dissent, said Commissioner Hester Pierce. So she is not a fan of this, which it's good to see that somebody in the SEC is standing up for you and me. We don't look at it as a win for investors that a staking opportunity was shut down. I think these companies should be able to do this. If it's true that it's simple paperwork, that Kraken needed to fill out, that the SEC should have pointed them in that direction. And I'm curious to see, by the way, what else comes along with that paperwork. I'm sure there's stipulations and things they have to do and have to comply with if they are to get approved to offer this product. And there's going to be disclosures, which disclosures are important. But clearly, this was handled the wrong way. And after the fact, they're coming out and saying hey, you could have filled out a piece of paper this whole time. That seems like a lie at this point. Gary Gensler and the SEC are doing a slop job here on crypto regulation. But guys, crypto regulation is important. It has to be done the right way. I'm good to see that at least this battle continues. At least these are getting sorted through. These issues are getting sorted through. Well, we're not in a full-on bear market. But you also got to remember, guys, we are looking pretty good. We're bouncing steadily. We've been moving sideways since, the middle of last year, just dancing around the $1 trillion threshold in crypto markets overall. Right now, we're taking a bounce off the $1 trillion threshold as well, which is a huge, huge resistance. So don't expect, maybe a bounce right below it and kind of dancing on this for a little bit. Honestly, February could be trading sideways because of all these games. But the matter of fact is this, folks. There are bull markets, there are bear markets, followed by bull markets, followed by bear markets. And eventually, there will be another bull market again, guys. So I'm feeling pretty excited. Some people even say the Bitcoin bull run is already happening right now, says the CEO of Pantera Capital. So this is, there's some bulls out there. And honestly, guys, there's good reason why. You look at, some of the bottoms that we had in these bear markets, which we called here on the channel as well, here, this most recent bottom. If you bought here, you can consider the rest of this a bull market for you. And matter of fact, you stayed positive on your investment if you bought here. If you bought, here at the bottom of this bear market, boom, now you're bullish all the way up until today. You still are positive. And so I think there's an argument to be made that we're kind of in that same spot in this band. We're looking bullish. Potentially, this is a bull run. It's not going to go up to the moon overnight, but I do expect that slowly over the next year and a half, 2 years, we're just going to kind of go slowly up to the right, a little bit of sideways action, and that's okay. There's going to be so many great opportunities, guys. So don't let the SEC and Gary Gensler scare you. People are speaking out against them. It's very, very interesting to watch, and we'll keep you updated with it here at the Crypto Report. We are giving away a loaded lion on this channel when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. This is a NFT worth about $2,000. We're giving away to the Crypto Report community. All you got to do is follow us at _Crypto Report on Twitter and follow the instructions to this giveaway. We're doing 5 videos a day, every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're doing a live stream for you guys, so come and join us. Consider becoming a member on the channel. Take advantage of some of the free links, free money in the description down below. That's all I got, folks. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.